Okay. Hi guys and girls, I've just received delivery of a new cabinet that I've had made. It's an SBC220, but it's got the up and over door, so I'm guessing that BF on there is probably bifolding maybe. So I thought I'd build it up because we know what the instructions are like from the past. So that's how it comes to you, in a box like this. Hello Ben, you going to help me? Let's have a look. There's the instructions. Oh, okay, so it comes with space screen protectors, and there's the instructions. Well, they're wrong straight away because that's a different cabinet. And also I had a quick squint at this, and it says dress properly, do not wear loose clothing or jewellery, long hair, keep your hair, I don't know why, because you blast inside the cabinet. So when I do a bit of cross-dressing on the weekend, then I best not do any blasting with my dress on and my wig. Joke. Also, I noticed it says wear a safety helmet. There, look. Where is it? Hard hat. Really? I don't think so. So anyway, these instructions, wrong, because they're not even this cabinet. The hopper is saying that you've got to piece it together. What a load of rubbish. I should have got my 4-year-old grandson to do the instructions. Maybe they'd be better. Look at that. Put the sides on. Anyway, so the best thing to do with them is chuck them in the bin. Oh, there's my other dog coming to help. So I'm going to get it out the box now and we'll see what we're faced with. Right, I've got it out the box, and luckily all this is in one piece, this top section. So there's no bolting panels to the side like the instructions said. And this is a front opening door lock, tidy, no side doors. So if you're struggling for space, it's perfect. So that top section is in one. So is the hopper, which is good news. I'm going to bolt all that together. It's already done in the box. This is the leg kit and the base, which I would imagine you would do first. Thankfully, there are 4 legs, so that's a good start. And that's the grill that will go inside the cabinet. And then you have all your little bits and pieces here. Your transformer for your lights, your light switch, loads of bolts, just 10mm spanner or socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and no doubt a bit of common sense, and you'll be able to put this together. This year, throw it away. It fits on there, but if you block that up, the cabinet becomes pressurized and the media will try and escape out of all the doors and anywhere it can. So that is a breather port, that. So I don't know why they put that in the box, because it just confuses things. Spare nozzles, all your bits for your pipe work, and your gun. So let the fun begin. I'll start putting this thing together. Rightio, that's the leg frame done. Loads of those little things. Support around the bottom. So that's the base. So now we're going to drop the hopper in and sort that out. So drop the hopper in. All the holes match up on the corners. And I'm going to drop that piece in. Right, the grille support, I've put that in on top of the hopper. And obviously because it's sponge, you're going to like stick a screwdriver through the sponge. So you can get your bolts through when you put your top on. Right, now I'm going to lift that on top. Right, hopper's going on. So what I've been doing here, each corner first, one in each corner. And I've just been sticking the screwdriver through to line it up, and then screw in the one next to it. It's just tight. Just turn this off a minute before it starts swearing on the camera. There we are. After loads of swearing, I managed to get all them bolts in and fixed. So I put the grill will sit on there now. Have I missed anything in there? I don't think so. I put the grill on and the gun and the pipe. Next. Yeah, after all the foul language I had, putting all them screws in. It's all in nice and secure. I've put the gun in, connected that up. That's how that fits there. And that's the pipe going down into the hopper to draw your media up. So that's it. You can change that actually. Where's that air fitting I had? It comes with that, but you can take that off, look, and change it to a high flow fitting or whatever you got. High flow's better. It's quarter BSP, look, and that'll fit most of your airlines and your quick release fittings and things. Put that back there a second. Okay, right, yeah. Oh, light, good light on it, look. I fitted that as well. Nice bright light. Tidy job, eh? I like the door bit. That's a cool cabinet. Pleased with it. With the aggravation putting it together. I tell you what I did notice on the back. Oh, that's that port. If you want to fit an extractor, just go around here. And like I said, don't block that up with that big black cap that comes with in the box. But what I notice here, you can fit a DC-15 extractor on there just nice. So I'm going to put that on there now just to have a look. And then I'll advertise these on my website, which is sandblasters.co.uk, with and without extraction, because people might have their own extraction, or they don't want it, or they'll just use their little hoover. So I'll just stop this a sec and then I'll fit that extractor on. And there you go, that's it with the extractor on. That's it, cool. That's the SBC220BF. Now, like I said, they'll be listed with extractors and without on my website, which is sandblasters.co.uk. I hope this has helped, because the instructions are rubbish. That's it. Media, don't put too much media in there. You want to know what you're throwing away when it's at it. So you just dump the media into the hopper, and then the air passes across the top of the gun. Air goes in there, look, across the top of the gun, and lifts the media up from this pipe, from the hopper, up that pipe, and then you blast whatever you're blasting. It drops down and keeps getting recycled. So for dirty, rusty old stuff, you want something like an aluminium oxide, and that'll give a nice key, like an orange peel effect. And for cleaning up, you want glass bead, and you want to be blasted between 60 and 80 psi. Ideally, you want an 18 CFM compressor, 200 litre tank. Anything smaller, your compressor will struggle to keep up with you. So there you go. If you've got any questions, we have live chat on our website when we're available. Failing that, you can call us on 01777 708 457. And my website is sandblasters.co.uk. And there's all the medias we do. Quite a selection. So, need any help? Don't be afraid to ask. We're here to help. Thank you very much. All the best to you.